We made it, and now it's time for retro rides. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to retro rides at Goodwood Motor Circuit. I've got to do the big commute of 3 miles. We're going to meet some friends, we're going to head in there. Here we are, the Goodwood Motor Circuit, bright and early. Everything's still setting up, but let's have a bit of a look around, see what we've got to enjoy today. Not only did this MX-5 have a prototype body kit on it, it was also hiding a 400 horsepower LS and 6-speed manual BMW gearbox. Unfortunately, my microphone decides to make an appearance throughout this video. See how many times you can spot it. Some of you may know my previous project vehicle was a Mark 1 Caddy in white, so got a soft spot for these. It was good to see this Merc built by Dale at Maguire's up close. I'd followed this build originally. As you can see, there was a big variety of cars on track at this show. This truck is a true built not bought project, using a crash damaged 370Z for its drivetrain suspension, custom built chassis into a Ford F100 pickup truck, and now also a custom built turbo system. I'd love to do this to my A4, turn it into a full-on race car. You'll see this little Daihatsu make an appearance on the channel at some point. It's a friend of mine, and there's a video to follow on it. Signed on through the noise test, just about. Driver briefing all done. Let's start getting ready, line up. As you can see from these photos, the QA1 suspension doing its job and keeping the car nice and flat through the corners. Unfortunately, the Chevelle decided to misbehave and had a bit of a misfire at about 5,000 RPM on the first couple of runs, which you can probably hear from those videos. The third run it didn't do it at all, so need to look into this a bit more. Fellow Chevelle, this one a 4-door. Last year we managed to actually get some photos of the two cars together. That's another retrorides show in the bag. Thank you very much for letting us on track and having us here. Good show as always. Good mixture of cars. Good day out. Sun was out, which always helps. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. We had a bit of a look around and some of my personal highlights, what I liked. Yeah, hopefully if you did, give us a like and yeah, catch you in the next video.